In a picturesque valley nestled between two hills lay two villages named Harmonyville and Tranquilburg. For years, a magnificent stone bridge connected the two communities, fostering a strong bond of friendship. Yet as time went on, misunderstandings arose, and a bitter feud ensued between the villagers. The bridge that once symbolized unity now lay in ruins, a reflection of the fractured relationship between the two villages. One day, news reached the ears of the wise village elder, Master Kavi, renowned for his teachings inspired by the ways of the Buddha. Disturbed by the discord between Harmonyville and Tranquilburg, Master Kavi embarked on a journey to heal the divide. Upon reaching the villages, Master Kavi gathered the villagers under the shade of a grand old tree. With serene wisdom, he shared stories of the bridge's construction, a tale of cooperation, shared dreams, and harmonious labor. He reminded them that the bridge was not merely a structure of stone and mortar, but a symbol of their shared values and aspirations. Touched by his words, some villagers from Harmonyville and Tranquilburg stepped forward, determined to mend what was broken. With the guidance of Master Kavi, they set aside their differences and began rebuilding the bridge. As they worked side by side, their hearts gradually softened, and the once icy glances turned into warm smiles. Word of this endeavor spread throughout the villages, rekindling hope and inspiring others to join in. Young and old, men and women, they all came together to restore the bridge and, in doing so, rebuild their sense of unity. It was a testament to the power of understanding, compassion, and the teachings of the Buddha. Months passed, and the bridge stood once again, more robust and beautiful than before. But it wasn't just a physical connection. It was a bridge of hearts, a bond that transcended differences. Harmonyville and Tranquilburg had rediscovered their shared purpose and the importance of standing united. The villages flourished in the newfound spirit of cooperation. Festivals were celebrated jointly, and the villagers supported one another through thick and thin. Master Kavi's teachings continued to resonate, reminding everyone that the true path to enlightenment lay in harmony, understanding, and the willingness to bridge gaps. And so the bridge that was once shattered became a bridge of unity, a living embodiment of the timeless wisdom imparted by the Buddha himself, a lesson that the power of unity can mend even the most broken of relationships. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other captivating content to keep the excitement going.